Look at it now. It's in two parts. I think it died and went to a new spot. No, there's two of them. I think we just witnessed a slug birth. We did. This is a baby. Oh my heavens in the world. This is a slug birth. I don't know what just I saw. Oh my goodness. Look at it. That is amazing. Now there's two of them. I just witnessed a slug birth. Wowzer. He likes it up there. He's going back up. Wow. I wonder if this happened last year? Because remember how terrible that whole thing smelled? Oh my goodness, I gotta call you. Bye.